Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can invite different people on the Facebook group. So without wasting time, let's start video. If this video will be helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. So firstly, open the Facebook and you will see three lines on top right. Click on it and then click on groups and then tap on your groups. So you can see this is my group. So if I will click on it, then you will see invite options. Click on it and here click on that person which you want to invite. So here you can invite different people on tap of invite. So in this way you can invite different people on the Facebook group. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.